People told me I was so strong and I wanted to punch every single one of them. People think it's a compliment. It's not a compliment when you tell someone that they're so strong in the midst of grief. The thing about grief is that you're already starting at a stress level of like 7, 8, 9 because grieving is exhausting and stressful. And so you add that to getting 3 little girls ready, having to drive an hour and a half, getting all these details figured out, going to a place you've never been to before. So we dropped our stuff off at my in-laws, and then we were getting ready to go to the hotel to go swimming, and 2 of the girls told me that they forgot their swimsuits. So my stress level was just climbing, and you just deal and you deal and you deal because you don't have a choice. I hate how people say, oh, I'm so impressed by how strong you are. That's garbage, because I didn't want to be strong. I had no choice but to be strong. It's not a matter of, oh, you're so strong. It's a matter of survival. If there was a single image that could portray my grief, it would be kneeling in the dirt and weeping. My first Mother's Day alone, I went behind a shed in the backyard and I wept into my coffee mug. Grief is not for the faint of heart, but I'll tell you what happened. People told me I was so strong and I wanted to punch every single one of them. Oh, Sam, you're so strong, you're so strong. I don't want to be strong. I'm surviving. This isn't strength, this is survival. And I'm not doing it because I want to. I'm not choosing strength. I have no choice but to survive. People think it's a compliment. It's not a compliment when you tell someone that they're so strong in the midst of grief. It's a dagger to the heart because it's a reminder to them that they have to be strong, that they have no choice, that there's someone relying on them, or they have to work for a living. They have no choice but to keep going. You can say, I'm proud of you. That must be really hard. That's way better than, oh my gosh, you're so strong. Because no one in grief feels strong.